Hey everyone, well this is my second video on the channel. I've looked at the views and stuff. Thank you for over 50 views, appreciate it. Please subscribe though, because I know I'm new, but please get used to me. This is what I do. I don't expect anyone to listen, but please subscribe in the future. I don't mind if you don't, or do, but yeah, it helps out a lot. It means a lot if you subscribe. Not being mean or anything, just please subscribe. Okay, in today's video, we're unboxing scissors and tape. I need this for my drawing tutorials on arts and crafts tutorials I'll be doing in a couple of weeks, after doing a couple of gaming videos and push videos. New push video coming out. If you saw the on the community post, there's a picture of Yoshi. New series called Yoshi's Puzzling Adventures, coming this summer in August. So yeah, down a bit. So I'll do the scissors first. Okay, this off a bit. Okay, open this. How do you open this? Unboxing. I haven't got anything to. Let's rip this. How do you open this? Oh, here it is. Let me get some scissors. Right, I'm back. Yeah, use scissors. Let's do this. How do you open these, man? Nice. Okay. This. They're getting stuck. Just loosen them. There we go. It's in the bin. These are pretty nice. Nice and sharp. Dangerous though, don't do something silly with these. For cutting paper only, or to get something out of package, like I just did. Tape time. Let's use these scissors. I don't need the scissors for this actually. Oh. There's 3 rolls. Okay. These are all stuck together. The England game's on tonight. I think we get bank holiday. I think it's tomorrow we get it if we win. If we don't, we're just a normal day for me tomorrow. There you go. That's my unboxing. 4 of these scissors and tape. That's good. These scissors aren't part of it. Yeah, so a couple of weeks, art tutorials, how to draw, like characters and stuff like that. If you don't know how to draw it, I can help you. Just send me. You can use the comments. You know. I'm seeing in the comments you haven't said anything. So if you want me to like do a drawing tutorial or something like that, or a game guide to help you with something. If it's not a game I have, though, I can't. Because I don't have Xbox or PlayStation, I just have Switch. And oh no, actually, I can't. Oh no, I can do it because the game's on my laptop. So yeah, any game, any like Switch game you need help with, like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it though. I need to get the games. Yeah, or I'll just send games I have and show, and like send a video. I write guides on like how to get every thingamajig in the game. Yeah, that's how it's gonna work, I'm afraid, because I don't have any PlayStation or Xbox games. Switch. So the next video be Mario Kart 8 Deluxe Part 2 coming Monday or Tuesday. So look out for that. Okay, I think that will do. Alright, see you in the next video. Peace.